So we're here on MicroMark TV in the Micro Make Mini Shop, and today we're going to look at one of the Micro Make tools, the precision power tools, and this is the Mini 3D Contour Sander. Dave's going to demonstrate some of its features.
Yes, 3D Contour Sander has three rotating sanding heads that can move in all different directions, which allows you to get onto the surface of a rounded or odd-shaped item and do some sanding. I'll just demonstrate it quickly on this ship pole here. Put my glasses on.
So you can get into tight spaces, concave spaces. It would be good for gourds, a number of different applications for this.
Absolutely. I've also got a wooden bowl here that we roughed out, and it just shows you how it works on the edge of it. That allows you to get all around the curve of it and sand it down.
Nifty little tool, a lot of precision there. Dave, where would you go to get this?
You get that at MicroLux.com.